Welcome to our tutorial on navigating the New Visions data grid. This feature lets you view key information such as student academics and attendance in a spreadsheet format, as well as create customized views tailored to your needs. In this video, we will walk you through using pre-made templates and show you how to build your own custom views from scratch using any available data points. To access your data grid, use the left side navigation and select Data Grid. There are some pre-created portal templates that you can utilize to see frequently used data points. These can be found under portal views. Academics, attendance, credits, graduation, and post-secondary are some of your options. For example, some schools create attendance team templates in the data grid to view attendance data alongside parent contact information, so outreach is seamless. To create your customized data grid template, click Edit Columns at the top left toolbar. Remove pre-selected data points by clicking Uncheck Selections, then you can scroll through the data points and add the data you want to see on your grid. For our attendance team meeting template, some data points we would select are grade, official class, attendance risk group, and school year 22-23 and 23-24 overall attendance. Then we'll use the search bar to search for lateness and add the lateness data points, lateness year to date, and latenesses within the last 5 days. We can X out of this and use the filter column to filter for certain categories, and we'll filter for contact info. Then click filter, and we'll add parent email and home phone. Click save. Now that we have created a customized view, we'll click save to my views, and you can name your view. Click save. Once you have added all the relevant data points and save your view, you can always access your customized data grid template under the My View section of the data grid. For questions or help, use the Calendy link in the video's description. Stay connected by following us on social media for exclusive content, the latest news, and updates on student success. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to navigate the data grid in the portal by New Visions.